What if you could run your entire digital marketing strategy, ads, social posts, SEO, and content, with 0 employees? In 2025, you actually can, thanks to AI.
In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful AI tools that'll transform your workflow, save you hours, and boost your results. Let's dive right in. Last year, I spent hours every single day creating content, analyzing numbers, and chasing social media trends. It still felt like I was falling behind. But then I built my own AI marketing stack. And within weeks, my workflow was cut in half, and my results doubled. If you're looking to market smarter, not harder, these are the tools you need for 2025. First up, Jasper.ai. It's an AI copywriting assistant that writes blog posts, ad copy, email sequences, captions, and even video scripts like this one. Just type in your topic, select the tone, and Jasper delivers highly engaging, ready-to-use content in seconds. Next is Pictory.ai, your video content sidekick. Pictory turns your blog posts, articles, or written scripts into professional videos automatically. It adds stock footage, captions, music, and AI voiceovers. No editing skills needed. If you're serious about ranking on Google in 2025, you need SurferSEO. It uses AI to analyze top-performing content and gives you a blueprint for your blog post or article, complete with recommended keywords, headings, and content length. For stunning social media graphics and captions, Canva's Magic Write is a game changer. It generates ready-made Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, and post captions in seconds. Just pick your design, enter a topic, and watch Canva do the heavy lifting. And finally, Opus.pro, the ultimate AI tool for repurposing long videos into viral shorts, reels, and TikToks. It automatically chops your YouTube videos into short, punchy clips, adds captions, emojis, and syncs with trending audio. I gained my first 500 subscribers using shorts made with Opus. So to recap, Jasper for copy, Pictory for videos, Surfer for SEO, Canva Magic Write for graphics, and Opus for repurposing. Build this AI stack and watch your marketing workload shrink while your results skyrocket. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and drop a blow emoji in the comments if you're ready to start using these tools today. And if you want my complete AI marketing toolkit for 2025, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly AI marketing hacks, and I'll catch you in the next one.